emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake the ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash and nigga, you know I want it.
Hey guys, it's Bree Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome to the Chanel room. I hope you enjoyed your stay, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, welcome back to the Chanel room, to motherfucking Bree Chanel. I'm so glad you could join me in this week's video. This week's video is going to be a cleaning vlog. So I have like quite a lot to do today. I have to clean my room, change the sheets and whatnot. I gotta do laundry, also clean up around the house. I gotta clean the refrigerator today. So yeah, but first things first, I'm gonna clean my room. And yeah, I hate doing laundry, bro. Like, I just hate going outside to do laundry. This is so annoying, but gotta keep the clothes clean. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you how I clean my room. Okay, so yeah, just see me did my bed or whatever. Now I have to put all of my laundry in the laundry bag. So let's see it. I already have my other bed sheet in here because obviously it's dirty. So I'm just gonna put the rest of dirty clothes in here. And I don't really, it's like still morning now. I think it's like 11 something. I don't really do, I don't really do. I don't like doing laundry in the morning because who got time for that? Like, that is so tiring. So since today is Saturday and I got nothing to do, I'm just gonna do it in the afternoon around like 1 or something like that. First, I gotta clean up my room. Let me see. I'm gonna show you how I sweep my room because I don't have a vacuum. So yes, I do sweep it. Okay, upstairs, kind of getting a little. Okay. I have to sweep my room, organize a few things, clean my diffuser especially because I love when my room is clean and I just turn it on and it just I just put whatever scent. I mostly do use lavender because I love that scent. So it's like when you're done cleaning and you light a candle. That's like equivalent to turning on your diffuser when you're done cleaning. It's just such a good feeling, and I love when my room smells clean. Like, it's just a really, really good feeling. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I should clean my diffuser first because it's really easy. All I gotta do is rinse it out, clean out all that leftover oil that was in there, refill it, and yeah, then we're gonna move on to sweeping. So I'm gonna finish putting all my laundry in here and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, as you guys seen, don't mind my, don't mind that. So as you guys seen, I already cleaned my diffuser and stuff. So I always have this bottle of water here, so I could just pour the water in the diffuser thing. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me just, oh my god, I think I can do it per a one-handed queen. All right, let's hope I don't spill this shit. Okay, so there's like a certain line you have to reach, and no, stop. Put the top back on, and like I said, I always use lavender. Look, this is my lavender obsession. I have 1, 2, 3, and I have more in here. So obviously we're gonna go with lavender. Let me open this little shit. And I like to put a lot because obviously, like I said, I like my room to smell good. You could put as much or as little as you want. Like I said, I like to put a lot because I like my room to smell divine. So I think that should be good. Oh my god, not my high school ID. Oh my god, this video is a mess. Oh, I'll be back. Okay, we back. So I obviously put the lid on and everything. I'm not gonna turn it on now because my room is not clean yet, but that's how I clean my diffuser. So moving on, I have to sweep my carpet and stuff. So I'm gonna get ready to do that. First things first, I like to unplug this, my computer charger, because it does get in the way. I think I'm gonna put that in the living room. Gotta pick up these, put them on my bed. Hold on, y'all. I have so much things. Okay, put that. These little cables could go up here in the meanwhile. This is like my oh my god. Oh my lord. Okay, perfect. This is my mini workstation. If you know, I am a small business owner. This is where I keep my things. But like I say in every one of my outros, if you want to purchase an item from me or support, that the link is in the description down below, and so is my website, so you can check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna broom right now, sweep right now. So I'm gonna get the broom and watch me sweep. Okay, now it's time to deep clean my refrigerator, and as you can see, this is the before. Disgusting. You see all them stains, like ew. No, we cannot live like this. So I'm in the process of taking out the food and stuff like that, so I'm just showing y'all the before and after. Those are all the food that I took out of the fridge and stuff like that. So this is like realistic, y'all. This is like, I'm not bougie or whatever, but people gotta do what they gotta do. And I'm showing you the the freezer, because I gotta clean that. So let me show ya the after. And this is the after. Look how clean she look. She's sparkling. She glowing and whatnot. Like I said, this is realistic, y'all. Like, I'm not a bougie person, but when things need to get clean, I'm gonna clean them. So I cleaned this part of the refrigerator. I still got look at all that dirtiness. Like, ew. I still got those 2 cabinets to do. But yeah, look how clean that looks. And I still got the freezer left to do, but the majority of it, I did get it clean. Like, I really did that. Y'all better book me. Okay, guys, as you just seen, I just finished cleaning my refrigerator and everything. So it's like about 1:15 right now. And I'm about to go do some laundry. I'm about to take a shower, just head on out. And I'm gonna bring y'all with me. As you guys seen in the previous clips, I already put my laundry in the laundry bag. I just need to get my detergent and stuff. I'm ready to go. But first things first, we gotta freshen up because your girl was sweating. That's too much. But we gotta keep the house clean. We gotta keep everything clean because we are clean. And that's on period. So yeah, I'm about to go shower right now. And yeah. Okay, guys, I just got home. It's about a few minutes later. I just finished washing. Yes, I dried my clothes. I just didn't film it because that's boring. So as you can see, I'm about to put all these clothes away. I'm gonna film some of that if y'all want to watch it, but yeah, I'm about to put these clothes away. So let's begin. Okay, y'all. Looks like this would be the end of this video. I am so tired. I think y'all could tell by my face. I'm just so tired. I'm exhausted. But yeah, I usually do clean like everything on Sunday, but that time of the month is coming and ain't nobody want to be cleaning when I'm on my period. So, So this will be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love filming for you guys. So let me know what other video suggestions or whatever you guys want me to film, and I'll film if possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to follow me everywhere like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all my social medias will be down below. And if you didn't know, now you know. I am a small business owner. I sell natural hair and skin products, so if you would like to support me, my website link is down below. And if you don't want to purchase an item and still want to support, be my guest. My business Instagram is also going to be in the description box, so you can follow me or whatever. But yes, so I'm gonna lay down, edit this video right now, and I'll see you guys next time I upload. Bye.